Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today we have got a notification from Google Cloud regarding the 30 days of Google Cloud program, which is starting from 27th of September to 27th of October. So what is 30 days of Google Clouds? This is basically a program, official program by Google, in which they provide a opportunity to kickstart a career in Google Cloud and a hands-on experience on the products launched by Google Clouds like the YouTube websites and various app developments, machine learning, and deep learning APIs, which are supported by the Google Cloud. So basically, we will start with how we should enroll in this program. So this program is a golden opportunity for anyone who is pretty serious of making a career in cloud-based architecture or as a cloud-based uh, what we say anything related to clouds. This is a golden opportunity for you. So what we will be getting out of this program besides knowledge is a wonderful cool swags. There will be quest. After we complete this quest, we will be getting skill batches which we can share on various social media sites like LinkedIn, which will again increase our credibility. So the syllabus for this program will be big data, application development, introduction to cloud computing, machine learning, and all will be held on the Google's platform named QuickLab. On most of the and other thing, which is the key point of this program, that it will be self-paced, which will be providing temporary credentials to Google Clouds, which we have to log in, and then we can practice on real world, no simulations. So this is track 1 and this is track 2. We have to complete this both the tracks to be eligible for swags and various prizes of this program, to claim various prizes of this program. So rules for prevailing the prizes and all, you kindly go through all this. We will just let you know that how we should get enrolled in this program and what is the key step of getting enrolled. So terms and conditions, here we go. I don't find it here. Okay, so here we are getting the eligibility criteria for enrolling into the program. So the first basic requirement which we need to get enrolled in this program is that we must have a good internet, because machine learning requires much of data which is not uh, possible on your 1.5 basic data of mobile internet. So second criteria is we must be above 18 years. So any viewer below 18, you cannot participate in this program. And the third most important thing is we need to be referred by a Google facilitator of our college to get enrolled in this programs. It's a invite only program. So we cannot just get the link and register in this program. We must be referred by the Google facilitator of our college. So don't worry if your college doesn't has a GDSD club. I will just show you how to contact with another college facilitator, and then just we can ask them that will you please refer my name and that. So first of all, we have to search GDSD community, and the first site which will be available on your browser, you have to click on that. So after clicking that, here it is. The full form of GDSD is Google Developer Students Club. So here is the search button. We have to just search the college we are from. Like I am from Siagarh College. I'm just checking Siagarh. Here comes my college. But as I already registered, I will not take you through this process. Now, here is some college, like they are providing a session here. So, like she is the facilitator of this college. College is JSPM. So like this, you can connect them, you can see bio and then just contact with them, connect with them, and then ask them to refer your name for this program, and then they will give you links. So that's the process. Once they refer your name, you will get an email that how to do next and what to do next, and then you can start your 30 days of Google Cloud from 27th of September. That's that then for today's video. If you like the content, do consider subscribing. Thanks for being here.